Is the speaker icon grayed out during calls on your iPhone? This can be annoying when you want to use speakerphone. Here's how to fix the speaker icon grayed out issue on your iPhone. Before you do anything, open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, find out Touch, scroll down, tap Call Audio Routing. Make sure to select Speaker after that. Try to do a simple restart on your iPhone and check if your problem gets solved or not. If the problem does not get solved, then follow the next steps. Solution 2, turn off restrictions. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now toggle this feature off, check for iOS update, open Settings, scroll down and tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone. Test the speaker icon to see if it's no longer grayed out. This is how you can fix the speaker icon grayed out issue during calls on your phone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.